Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Tori, and on this channel I am documenting my debt-free journey where I'm using the cash envelope method to budget my income and the debt snowball method to repay my debts. If this sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead, hit the subscribe button so that you can follow along. And today's video, I will be doing a budget breakdown and a budget closeout or envelope closeout, whichever one you want to refer to it as. But yeah, okay, so yeah, let's get started. So today's video will be different from what I normally do because whenever I get my paycheck, I normally do a cash stuffing. So there's not a need for a cash stuffing this week, so I'm just gonna do a budget breakdown. I did print this out. Hopefully you guys can see. Like, I like the natural lighting, but there's probably like a little bit of shadow from the stuff that I have on my desk. But yeah, so this is my budget breakdown. I print this out. I made it off Canva. Yeah, so yeah, hold on, let me just grab my marker. Yeah, I did insert it. I tape it because I couldn't find my glue. I haven't seen it in a while, so I probably am out of glue, but I did tape it in the book just because I normally you know, like, document the categories that I'm stuffing per paycheck. So I think it's only fair that I make a note of where the money go, just so you know, like, yeah, makes sense. Anyways, so this month's income, or not month, but this fortnight income is $1,662.12. So this is what we're working with. And then for my expenses, so we'll have grocery, yeah, and I am budgeting $200 towards grocery. So the reason why, normally I'll stuff this in my grocery envelope, but I won't, because this week I'm ordering online. So basically I'm doing a pickup, but you know, I need my card to do that pickup because I'll save $15 if I do a pickup of my groceries. So I've ordered it, and yeah, so that's where I left the money on the card because of the way I'm gonna buy my grocery this week. So yeah, and then yeah, so yeah, that makes sense. And then for my credit card, I am adding $1,260 to that. And also so I've already transferred that once I got paid, because it's closer to the end of the month and my payment due like the third day of next month for my credit card. So what I wanted to do was like quickly transfer it, because by the time I transferred from my bank account in Canada to my bank account or to my credit card in America, then it's gonna take a while to reach there. So yeah, didn't make sense. I pull it out, then put it back, and yeah, didn't make sense. So yeah, we left it there. And then I don't normally have this category, so this is for me, and I took $200 for myself because I went and got my nails done. I know I said I wouldn't anymore, and I was trying, honestly, I was trying to get them done, like do them myself, because I even got like the polish and stuff, but guys, it turned out so ugly. It looked yucky. I don't know, I just did not do a good job. And I don't know if it's the color that I was using, because I only have black and white nail polish at my home, and it was just not looking right. So, and then my boyfriend was gonna take me out for dinner Friday, so we went out for dinner on Friday, and I got my nails done on Friday, yeah, right before we went to dinner, because y'all, I had to look real cute. And then I did his hair. So like we have this thing that we agreed upon. Yeah, so instead of me getting my nails done, I would save the money from my nails and I would do his hair, because he normally pays the hairdresser to do his hair like $60, $60 to $80 to braid his hair. And I mean, I can braid his hair, but not as good. But we said, if we're not going anywhere, I'll do your hair and then I'll do my nails myself, so we save that money. Anyways, this one time, like, I did his hair for us to go out on the date, and then I went and got my nails done. So yeah, I probably not gonna make it a habit to get my nails done, because you know, like, he really needs yeah, I need to do his hair, so I can't do them with my nails. So yeah, this is like temporary. I need to figure out a way to get my nails looking presentable. Yeah, but yeah, and I tried press-ons, and every time I do something they break off, so I don't know. Yeah, so that's the category for me. So I got my nails done, and y'all, your girl is getting I don't want to use the F word, but I'm gaining weight, and it's like really bad, because I'm always gaining weight. But the thing is, I'm wearing like leggings and joggers. So, you know, like if you wear leggings and joggers, you don't really notice the weight gain until like you put on like denim or anything like that. So now we're going on a date and stuff. So I went to try on my jeans and it didn't work out. So like I can't fit my jeans. And so I went and got myself an outfit for the date. So yeah, $200. That's how it went. I mean, I got paid Friday and my money is finished already. So yeah, but that's good because I enjoyed myself on the date, so that's nice. And what else we're adding? So the only difference is $2.12, which would normally go to my keep the change jar. So the next time I do get paid, I'm gonna like withdraw this. So this says, I'm just gonna like put bank and this go to keep the change. Yeah, so the next time I know I should withdraw like $2.10 anyways, because $2 doesn't work. 2 cents. Yeah, anyways, yeah, so this is how my paycheck goes for this pay period. I hope this is not too long. Anyways, yes, that is it for the paycheck. And let's do closeout. So I did agree a while ago that I'm gonna start doing a closeout instead of leaving the money in to roll over. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a closeout and then use that to stuff my savings, what you call them, savings challenge. Yeah, so for groceries I need a new tracker. I should print one, definitely going to print one. So we had $40 left over from groceries. We haven't been buying a lot of snacks lately, so that's why we have $40 left over. So 10, 20, 40. So that's the first, like, I think since I've increased my grocery budget, like I've never had this much left over. Yeah, and then my rent insurance, as always, $5. Okay, so minus 5. And then, okay, household is $20. Wait, and then electricity is 5. I think this is the first time I have this much money rolled over, which is good. That means I'm spending less. Just checking. Okay, great. So this is So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $70 rollover. Wow, that is a lot. So we're gonna put that here for our savings challenges. So 70, 80, $90. And then this is from, I don't know if this came from like groceries or what, because I've been like doing multiple trips. Anyways, so this will go to our keep the change jar here. And this is 2, 4, 50 cents. Yeah, so that's $5, 10 cents, 20, 30. So $5.30. Sorry. So today's the 30th of October. We're adding $5.30. So we should have $30.85. Is that? No, I don't know. 4 and 5 is 9, and then 30, 25. Okay, guys, and that's it for my video today. Hope you enjoy, and yeah, if you haven't already, go ahead, subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at 200 subscribers. Wow. You know, yeah, I won't tell you guys, but yeah, I really appreciate you guys supporting me so far. Yeah, much appreciated. Thank you. Until next time, bye.